Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a look at end screens that you can put on YouTube videos. Love them or hate them. Sometimes they can be ways to promote other videos that you have, as well as provide a subscribe button. I've been experimenting with adding these to the end of my videos, and you can do it with the video editor or just even the details, the video details. You don't have to get into the editor, and then you end up with your face for someone to describe plus a recommended video, and this will show up on the tail end of your video like you can see here. But sometimes it's a real big problem because it'll block out crucial footage, like I'm passing an accident scene in this video and my recommended video into the light is blocking everything. So how do you remove that once you put it in? It's not immediately obvious how you do that. You take a look at it, you click on it, you can't move it around, you can't move it sideways, you can't resize it. All you have to do is select it and hit the delete button. You can do the same thing with your face for your subscribe, and it's gone. Save it, and then when you take another look at your video, let's reload that video and see how it looks. So now at the end of the video you can see the recommended video is gone, and you can see the crucial detail at the end of that video. So there's another way you can do it if you want a little more control, or if you just prefer to use the editor. So again, you go under video details, you go to the video editor, and you can see those end screen elements for the recommended video and for your subscribe button. At the end is these two gray blocks, and it's the same thing. You select them and hit the delete button and they go away, and then you hit save and you're done. So that's how you delete an end screen from your video. Hope this helps. Please feel free to subscribe and look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you for watching.